Imagine a world shrouded in perpetual darkness, miles beneath the ocean's surface. Here, where sunlight dares not reach, lies a realm of intense heat and pressure. Towering structures, spewing black smoke, pierce the ocean floor. These are hydrothermal vents, Earth's underwater chimneys, and they hold secrets as captivating as any rainforest or coral reef. These are not your typical underwater havens. Instead of gentle currents and colorful corals, imagine scalding hot water, reaching temperatures over 700 degrees Fahrenheit. The pressure here is immense, enough to crush a tank. Yet, against all odds, life thrives. Clusters of bizarre and beautiful creatures, unlike anything found elsewhere on Earth, call these vents home. These vents are a stark reminder that our planet is full of surprises. They challenge our understanding of where life can exist and what it needs to survive. Journey with me now as we delve deeper into this alien world, exploring the wonders of hydrothermal vents and the remarkable creatures that inhabit them.
Hydrothermal vents, often dubbed black smokers, are not volcanic eruptions, though they share similarities. Picture Earth's tectonic plates, vast moving slabs that make up our planet's crust. Where these plates pull apart, magma rises from the Earth's mantle, creating new crust. This process, known as seafloor spreading, is the birthplace of hydrothermal vents. Seawater seeps into cracks in the ocean floor, gets superheated by the magma below, and becomes saturated with dissolved minerals. This hot, mineral-rich fluid then rises back to the surface, escaping through the vents. As the hot fluid meets the icy cold seawater, minerals precipitate out, forming the chimney-like structures of the vents. The smoke billowing from black smokers isn't really smoke at all. It's actually a dense cloud of mineral particles, primarily iron sulfide, which gives the fluid its characteristic black color. Other types of vents, like white smokers, release cooler, lighter-colored fluids containing different mineral compositions.
The darkness surrounding hydrothermal vents is anything but barren. Here, in this extreme environment, thrives a unique ecosystem completely independent of sunlight. The base of the food chain is not plants but bacteria. These bacteria possess a remarkable ability, chemosynthesis. They use energy from the chemicals in the vent fluids like hydrogen sulfide to produce food. This process of chemosynthesis supports a whole community of organisms. Giant tube worms, some reaching over 6 feet long, dominate the landscape. These creatures have no mouths or digestive systems. Instead, they rely on symbiotic bacteria living within their tissues to convert vent chemicals into usable energy. Look closer, and you'll find an array of other strange and wonderful creatures: blind shrimp, ghostly white crabs, scaly-foot gastropods with iron-plated shells, and even fish specially adapted to the darkness and pressure. Each species plays a vital role in this delicately balanced ecosystem.
Hydrothermal vents are more than just fascinating geological formations. They are windows into Earth's history, and potentially the future of life beyond our planet. Scientists believe that life on Earth may have originated in these very vents, billions of years ago. Studying these vents provides valuable insights into the limits of life and how organisms adapt to extreme environments. These lessons become even more significant as we search for life on other planets and moons in our solar system and beyond. Places like Jupiter's moon Europa, with its subsurface ocean, and Saturn's moon Enceladus, with its icy plumes, are thought to harbor hydrothermal activity. Could these distant worlds, seemingly inhospitable, actually be teeming with life just like our deep-sea vents? The exploration of hydrothermal vents is a journey into the unknown, a testament to the power of life and its ability to thrive in the most unexpected places. Their study is crucial for understanding our own planet's history, the potential for life elsewhere, and the importance of protecting these unique and fragile ecosystems. Let us continue to explore, to question, and to marvel at the wonders that lie hidden beneath the waves.